got lots of ramen and spam in the pantry. Let's make a quick and easy meal. Let's start by getting some water to boil on the side. Here's my spam light. It's still quite salty though. Finally got it out of the can. Use about half of the spam. I'm making a dish for two. Cut into short strips. I should have been more strategic about this. Pan fry the spam until brown. Since we'll be doing some other prep work in the meantime, try to keep the heat medium or medium-low so you don't burn the spam. While the spam is sizzling on the pan, let's beat up 2 eggs. Now take about 1/4 of a cabbage and cut into thin strips. Don't forget about the spam. Give it a stir every other minute. Now the boiling water should be ready. Let's cook the noodles. Any ramen should work. Here comes the key to this dish. Don't overcook the noodles. Remove the noodles from water after about a minute before it's completely cooked through. Now the spam should be nicely browned. Let's move it to the side. Pour in our egg mixture. Let the egg mixture cook for about a minute and move it to the side. Now it's time to cook the cabbage. Stir fry it a little. Add in 1 of 2 sauce packets. If your seasoning packet is in a powder form, mix the powder with about 1 to 2 ounces of hot water. You may also need a bit extra cooking oil. At the same time, prepare the second vegetable of your choice. It should be something that cooks fast. Tossing in my bok choy when cabbage is halfway cooked. Stir fry some more until the second vegetable is almost done. Mix in the pre-cooked noodles. Depending on how many bags of ramen you're using, add in the remaining seasoning packets. Please keep in mind that you probably don't need all of it, especially if your ramen originally makes a noodle soup. And we're all done. A quick and easy meal completed with proteins, vegetables, and carbs.